morning, YouTube. Today I'll be maybe rebuilding, probably just refreshing this caliper. It's out of my 2000 Jeep XJ Cherokee. I'm pretty sure it's the original one. I don't know, I'll have to read the tags on this. I'm gonna take this leader off. Alright, it doesn't look all that bad in here. I'm not even sure if I want to take this gasket out. It looks pretty good. I just wanted to get this thing to stop awesomely, and maybe I'll have to condition this a little before. Yeah, I'm gonna have to condition this a little before I put it back in, because there's a bunch of rust inside the seals. Okay, so sadly I don't have a blast cabinet, so I'm just gonna have to sand this thing by hand. Alright, so I got it hanging up, all masked off for the most part, and just waiting for it to dry because I soaked it to get all the junk off. Alright, so the first coat is on, and not actually that bad. I lightly sprayed it first, just so I don't get any runs or anything. Alright, here's coat 3. I have complete coverage now. So we're looking good. Alright, it's turned out really good.